Finish on them same things that'll blow a bitch with the frame. White man can't fucking with the say. He say, she say, say, we say, headed to the islands. Was it on my shorty? On the top of
Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to get into a solo public lobby in GTA 5 online on the PC version. So basically what you want to do is you want to be in a lobby with people in it like this. There's only 9, but you can do it with as much people as you want. And then what you do is you press on your keyboard Control Alt Delete, and then you click Task Manager, and then here it is. So you want to go into the Task Manager, and then you want to click on Performance up at the top. Open Resource Monitor. This will come up on your other screen, or if you have one, it should come up on your main if you don't. And then you want to find the one that says GTA5.exe, like this. Select check it. It'll be checked. Right click and press Suspend Process. Now wait 8 seconds. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now you want to resume process. And then when you go back onto the game, you should see in the bottom corner everybody left. So now you can, if you want, look in the top corner there, you'll see everyone left. It's just me. It says public, GTA Online Public 1, and now I can, if I want to, go and sell my business and stuff. If you guys did enjoy this video or found it helpful, can you please leave a like, subscribe, leave comments for if there's anything you want to see me doing. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.